Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard house in Ableton. We'll start by exploring the fundamental characteristics that define hard house, ensuring you grasp its energetic essence. Then, I'll guide you through setting up your Ableton Live project, focusing on efficient organization. We'll also cover crucial tempo and key choices, typically around 140 to 150 beats per minute, to lay a solid foundation for your track. Next, let's dive into the rhythmic heart of hard house. We'll program a robust 4-on-the-floor kick drum, ensuring it hits hard and consistently. Then, we'll layer in crisp claps, sharp snares, and energetic open hi-hats to build a dynamic groove. For the bass line, we'll focus on a simple yet powerful pattern, often using a single note or two, to provide a solid low-end foundation that drives the track forward. Now, let's add some sonic excitement with synths and effects. We'll craft those signature aggressive lead and stab sounds, often using a saw wave with a fast attack and short decay. Then, we'll integrate impactful risers, falls, and white noise sweeps to build tension and transitions. Finally, we'll apply essential effects like distortion for grit, compression for punch, and a touch of reverb to give your elements space and depth, making your track sound professional. For our final steps, we'll arrange your hard house track, building a compelling journey with powerful intros, energetic drops, tension-filled breaks, and satisfying outrows. Then, we'll focus on the mix, ensuring every element sits perfectly, from the thumping kick to the screaming synths, achieving a clear and impactful sound. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, we'll discuss basic mastering techniques to give your track that final professional polish, ready for the dance floor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.